show you guys my new, not bad for 119 bucks, mud hog. See how she works here. I had a National Detroit and then a Snap-on, and I've used a bunch of different mud hogs, but this time I decided, you know what, let's go cheap and see how this works. Got a little smear of mud there. Kind of a nice running machine for 119 bucks. Look at that, almost ready for primer. Got a little bit. It used to be pretty torquey. Pull her down a little bit. Seems to feel like it feels it nice and flat. To the edge here. We almost got it. Not bad at all. Need a little more back here, but we'll catch that on the second. Now this works up here. Leave the rest for the block. I'm going to take another smear. We'll probably start a little more meaty here. These are all you can go wrong, maybe an Astro pneumatic, but I like the way they rivet the front, and they got this side reinforced here. Then they got a little knuckle deal here that they don't have on the National Detroit, but you know, not too shabby for 119. Well, then you can get a shot. You guys take a look around, see what we got in here. There's Brother Dan doing what he should be doing. Get that good down low. I don't want it peeling down there, ass white. There. Then there's Christine over there, and well, you guys already seen this gem. Before my daughter dropped the camera, we made this on this. We're going to be doing our second smear on it. That's why I'm wearing gloves, because I had to go and fix the camera after she dropped it on the floor. But yeah, that stuff's starting to set up now. We'll probably be ready to start grinding on down in about 10-15 minutes. Well, you guys, you have a good night tonight. Hope you learned something in this video. Again, like 2 thumbs up on the cheap mud hog. We'll find out in a month if it's still running.